Have you ever wondered how to achieve this particular design? If that is what has been going through your mind, you are in the right place to get an answer to how to go about making this beautiful design. Actually, this is coming from the group, and if you've not yet joined the group, do well to join it. This looks somehow technical. As I always say, I love helping you guys to recreate things that are technical. So literally, what you do now, remember this is just an illustration. Believing that you know how to go about cutting the basics as such, this will not be a strange thing to you. So usually when you want to cut something like this, all you need to do is just fold the material. When it comes to making agbada, all you need to do is literally to cut the length and the width of the material that you want to use, and then you hand it over to the designer. But if you have a specific design that you think your designer will not be able to achieve it, you can literally draft it out on your fabric or on a pattern paper and paste it on the fabric so that the designer can follow the pattern. So after cutting this, how to achieve this is when you're cutting the length, it should be the same as what you want. But when you are cutting the width of the fabric, remember to add the folding allowance, which means you are going to fold the fabric on the shoulder part. So as we progress, I'm going to explain in detail what I mean. So let us just assume that this is the length, the width, and the length that I'm working with. So as you can see, I folded this into 4. This is how I folded it. You can see now, and this is it. So I closed it up like this, and I folded it up again. Now this is my shoulder part. So to create the pleat that is on top of the shoulder, I'll literally mark my shoulder. Let's assume the shoulder that I'm working with is somewhere here. So if this is where my shoulder falls, so what I'm going to do now, following it, is I'll literally take note of that shoulder part downward. I would then decide how many inches I really want to pleat it inside. So for an average inches, it should be like 8 inches. That means when you plait it, it's going to be 4 inches. Now let's assume my 8 inches starts from here to this point. Then I'll also mark the 8 inches downwards, like so. Then when I'm done, I'll then open it up like this. Now look at what I'm going to do. This is now going to be my center part. This is where my shoulder ends. This is where I want to plait. So I'll literally extend this to this other side like this. Remember, this is the shoulder and this is the 8 inches. So when I'm done with that, I'll pick this 8 inches, the shoulder parts like this on the fabric. Then I'm going to place it on these 8 inches that I marked out like this. Can you see that? Then I'll iron it out. This still remains my center line. Then I'll still repeat the same thing on this other side. If I had my shoulder here, that's half of my shoulder. The remaining half of it, I'm going to still mark it out on this other side, like so. And let's just assume this is the 8 inches now. This is the 8 inches. So I'm also going to pick up this side like this. That's the shoulder points, like this. I'll fold it like this and place it on top of this other one. I'll place it here like so. Now, can you see what we have here? This is a pleat and this is a pleat. So when I'm done like this, it's not going to remain like this. So I'll literally turn over to this other side and open it up like this and stitch it down on this crease. If you like, you can stitch it here. If you wish, you can also do a top stitch here. Just you can choose to stitch on this part to hold it down and stitch on this other side to hold it down, or you may likely open it up like this and stitch on this part. Whichever the case, the point is you literally have to hold down the stitches somewhere here so that it will be here. And now we have it like this. I'm going to just fold it into two like this. You can see now, this is the front part, and now this is the back part. So you just give it to those people that wants to do the embellishment, or you may choose to do it yourself, whichever the case. The embellishment, the stoning, is just going to take place around this part. Now, once you've stone all over this part, like so, you can see that it is going to conceal the stitches that would have appeared here, somewhere here. So they will likely bring out the neck shape. If you want it round, they will give it to you, whatever design they want to give to your neck. They can just create something like this and something like this, whatever design they wish to give you for your neck. You just create it like that. So that is just it. If you still don't understand and you wish that I do a full tutorial using a fabric and constructing everything the way it ought to be, just let me have the comments in the comment section, and I'm going to bring it up with a full-fledged tutorial on how to create this beautiful piece over here. So when I'm done, this is what I have. You can see this plate coming out. The only thing that people will see is going to be this part, and it will seem as if it is two piece, but actually it is one piece, and they'll still see this one coming out here. This will also be coming out. So I hope you have derived benefit from this illustration. If you have done so, just kindly give me a like. Just hit the like button and share this video to people who may be struggling to interpret this design and trying to see how they want to go about making it. So guys, thank you very much for staying tuned. We'll call it a day. But if you have not yet subscribed, don't worry, it's just free. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell, and share this video to as many people as possible. Until I come your way next time, it's a bye-bye for now.